Have you ever looked up at the night sky, at the endless expanse of galaxies and stars, and felt small? It's a natural feeling. The universe is vast, incomprehensible, and we are just a tiny part of it. But what if I told you that something inside you is larger than space itself? What if the greatest mystery of the cosmos isn't out there, but right here, within each and every one of us? Let's journey from the grand scale of the universe, past swirling galaxies and distant suns, back to our own planet, our home, Earth, and from here, we'll dive deeper. Inside the silhouette of a human being lies a universe of its own. A complex ecosystem of about 37 trillion cells, all working in harmony. Each cell is a bustling city, and at the very center of its metropolis lies the nucleus, the control center. And within that nucleus, we find it, the very blueprint of life, the molecule that holds the secrets to who you are, DNA. Now, prepare to have your mind blown. Let's take the DNA from just one of your cells and stretch it out. It would measure about 2 meters long. Not that impressive, right? But remember, you have 37 trillion cells. If we were to take all the DNA from all your cells and line it up, end to end, how far do you think it would stretch? This single, continuous thread would measure an astonishing 67 billion kilometers. That's not a typo. 67 billion. To put that into perspective, the distance from the Earth to the Sun is about 150 million kilometers. Your DNA could make that journey from our planet to our star and back again. Not once, not twice, but over 450 times. It's a length that stretches past Pluto, out of our solar system, and into the deep, dark, interstellar void. A cosmic highway of information hidden inside you. So, how is this possible? How can something so astronomically long fit inside a space so microscopically small? The answer lies in one of the most brilliant feats of natural engineering: compression. This immense library of genetic code doesn't just sit there. It is folded, looped, and coiled with incredible precision. It's wrapped around proteins like thread on a spool, then twisted and folded again and again into compact structures we call chromosomes. This entire process, this miracle of packaging, allows a 67 billion kilometer long instruction manual to be tucked neatly inside a space smaller than a single grain of sand, within every single one of your cells. It's the ultimate example of organized chaos. But this isn't just about big numbers and mind-bending scales. This matters because every single millimeter of that DNA contains the instructions that make you you. It's the code that dictates the color of your eyes, the way you laugh, and your potential for greatness. Every moment of every day, your cells are reading this code, copying it with near-perfect accuracy, and using it to build, repair, and sustain you. This intricate dance of molecules turning on and off is the engine of your existence, the story of your past, and the guide for your future. So, the next time you look up at the stars, remember this: the universe doesn't just exist above you, in the distant, shimmering lights of the cosmos. It's also written in the very fabric of your being. A vast, intricate, and beautiful universe exists within you. You are not just living in the universe. The universe is living in you. Thanks for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed this cosmic perspective, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more explorations into the wonders of our world.